Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in my Christmas pajamas because I'm going to do a very extra Christmas tutorial. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to do my eyes first, and then I'm going to do my face. I'm going to be using really dark colors on my eyes. So when I do that, I like to do my face second, just so if I have any fallout, it doesn't get on my foundation that I had just did. So first thing I'm going to do is conceal my eyes. Okay, so I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just put it on my eyelids. And then I'm going to buff it out. The concealer is going to act as a primer, and it's going to hide any redness or veins that are in your eyes. That way they don't peek through after you have done your eyeshadow. So it creates a really good base for your colors to pop. The first color I'm going to do is I'm going to use a medium brown color, more light medium brown color in the crease to kind of create a transition color. That way we can actually blend all the eyeshadows together. Okay, so for today's look, I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette again. She has some really beautiful greens right here and some very good reds. So we're going to be using a mixture of those colors. Okay, so for my transition color, I'm just going to take this brown right here in the palette, like I said, to create a crease in our eyes and to create a crease to make it blend out through the eye when we apply the dark shadows. So I'm just going to put this in my crease. Okay, so now we have the brown color in our crease. So I'm going to take a round fluffy brush and I'm going to mix this dark green eyeshadow and this dark brown, kind of mix it together, and we're going to put it in our crease. We're going to put it in our crease, and then we're going to take it down to the outer corner of our eye and kind of buff it into the outer corner, kind of a little bit into on the lid. Okay, and then once we have our green and brown color in our crease and on the sides of our eyes, I'm going to take a little bit more of that green color and just kind of deepen up where we've put the brown and green color. So I'm just simply getting the green color and patting it into where we've created that shadow. Okay, so on our lids, we're going to use this sparkly green color right here in the palette. I'm going to spray a flat brush with some setting spray to kind of just wetten it a little bit. And then I'm going to take the glitter color in the palette. What this is doing is going to pick up more of that glitter onto the brush. That way it's more pigmented than a regular glitter if you just used your dry brush. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the glitter to my lid, and it's going to create a more metallic color on the lid. So I'm just taking that first fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend out the edges of my eyeshadow. In this palette, the eyeshadows blend very easily, so it doesn't take much time to blend out the eyeshadows. Okay, so for now we are done with the palette. We're going to add some eyeliner and I'm going to do a wing. But first, before we do that, one of the tricks that I have found to work to clean up any fallout that has fallen on my cheeks, I take a makeup wipe. So I just take the makeup wipe and I'm going to clean up any fallout that went onto my face. And I'm going to take the edge of my makeup wipe and just clean up the eyeshadow on the side of my eye. This helps you to keep the area clean, and that way when you put on your foundation, you don't have the foundation mixed with the eyeshadow. So now I'm going to put on my eyeliner, and like I said, I am going to do a wing eyeliner. Okay, so now I am done with the eyeliner. I'm going to finish off the eyes with a top coat of mascara, just on the upper lashes, and then I'm going to put on false lashes. Okay, so I have my lashes on, so now I'm going to finish the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am done with my face, and if you want to see how I do my face makeup, then I will leave a link down below of my last video where I show everything, and you can check that out. So next thing we're going to do is I'm going to finish off the eyes. I'm going to finish off doing eyeshadow on my lower lash line. Pretty much what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the dark green color that we put in our crease. I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. Okay, and then I'm going to take that lid color that we took, and I'm going to put it right here in the corners of my eye. And then I'm going to take this top highlighter color and put it in my brow bone. And I'm going to put it on my inner corner of my eye, kind of brighten up the eye. Okay, so now that the eyes are done, I'm going to add mascara to the bottom lashes. Okay, so the eyes are done. Now I'm going to do my lips. The first thing I'm going to do is line my lips with the Rimmel Lasting Finish lip liner in Red Dynamite. Okay, now after I line my lips, I'm going to take the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Monte Carlo. And then I'm going to add a second lip color. This is the CoverGirl lipstick in Seduction. Okay, this is the final makeup look. Thank you so much for watching.